Does the GoPro Hero 11 overheat, or has GoPro finally fixed that problem with their newest release? Well, guess what, it does overheat. I'm going to tell you how quickly it overheats at a few different resolutions and frame rates, just to give you an idea before you make a purchase. Each test was done with the GoPro 11 mounted inside my garage, which is about 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Most features that GoPro says contributes to overheating and camera shutdown, such as GPS, were turned off. I did leave the basic hypersmooth setting on, so it wasn't on the higher boost hypersmooth. Each test was started with GoPro's Enduro battery fully charged, and the GoPro coming from a room temperature of 74 degrees Fahrenheit. And the camera's firmware is up to date. So, when recording at 5.3K at 30 frames per second, the camera lasted 22 minutes. When recording at 4K 60 frames per second, the camera lasted 21 minutes. When recording at 4K 60 frames per second, this time with a foam windscreen, the camera lasted 18 minutes. This setup, 4K 60 FPS with the windscreen, would be my preferred way to record videos if the camera didn't have the overheating issue. When recording at 2.7K 60 frames per second, the camera lasted 25 minutes. And when recording at 1080p 60 frames per second, which you would think would be pretty manageable, the camera lasted 31 minutes. Now, I know what some of you are thinking and are probably typing in a very polite comment right now, that I am not using the camera correctly. And you might echo what GoPro customer support sometimes might tell people, such as completely turning off the stabilization, use the camera to record shorter videos that are 1 to 2 minutes long, use the camera in ideal temperatures such as 70-something degrees Fahrenheit, make sure the camera has a constant source of airflow, turn off other features that are advertised for the camera, such as GPS, Wi-Fi, use lower resolutions, frame rates, etc. And I hear ya. But I've owned each GoPro, except for the Hero 1 and the Hero 8, so I'm not new to the game. Their older models could record video much longer without overheating and shutting down. These newer GoPros in recent years really have a problem with overheating, and it seems that GoPro still hasn't found a fix for it. I remember when they used to advertise the battery life data with each new camera, and now, understandably, they don't. So, beware, the GoPro Hero 11 does have the overheating issue, which will stop your recording and randomly turn the camera off. Please give the video a like, and thank you for watching.